Let's shift focus now, get you more updates this coming in from the national capital. It is of course a cause of concern because in the national capital we are looking at almost 45,000 coronavirus cases that has been reported, making it the third worst affected state at this point in terms of the number of cases and the death toll that has been reported. However, it now comes to when it comes to conducting the coronavirus test, the capital is performing miserably and it stands 10th on the list of the states. Let's first give you all the data that we have collated at this point. As per the data that we have till June 16th, Delhi in fact share in the national caseload stands at 12.62% and the total RT-PCR tests that have been conducted in the national capital stands at 2,53,335. Which means that Delhi is conducting 13,540 tests per million of its population. However, when this figure is pitched as compared to the national states and what other states are performing, it looks like Delhi's figures when it comes to testing is far less than what it should be. Let's talk about the testing of other states at this point. Till June 16th, Maharashtra, which is the highest COVID tally, it's the worst affected state at this point, had conducted 6,89,147 RT-PCR tests, while Tamil Nadu, which is the second worst affected state, Tamil Nadu has conducted 6,72,046 RT-PCR tests. Meanwhile, the national capital, which is the third worst affected state, has only conducted 2,53,335 RT-PCR tests. Now, looking at these figures, remember the Niti Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant had called Delhi's case rise as exponential, adding that the only way to tackle it is to undertake massive testing at this point.
Delhi is the third largest contributor in the COVID cases in the national scenario, and if you look at a close picture of the testing numbers as per ICMR, Delhi's rank is at number 10th. There are 9 other states who have tested better than the national capital. Amitabh Kant, the CEO of Niti Aayog, yesterday said that the case rise in national capital is exponential and somewhere testing needs to be done at a higher pace. The testing numbers of RT-PCR from ICMR shows that states like Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu are closing into figures of 7 lakh, while the national capital still hinges of around a figure of 3 lakh. Less than half of testing that has been done in the national capital, while the other states, there are states like Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, even Madhya Pradesh have tested better. In the per million population, Delhi has tested about more than 13,000 people because it has got a lesser number of population. But if you see the real figures, somewhere it is lagging behind the other states. At a time when large number of cases are coming, the MHA has directed that large number of testing should also be conducted, and we are seeing that the testing numbers are going to be ramped up in the national capital.
More updates coming in from the national capital. The Ministry of Home Affairs has announced a slew of measures that needs to be taken up to contain the spread of COVID-19 in the national capital. Following the direction from the MHA, starting today, tests will be done via the new rapid antigen methodology that has been approved by the ICMR. Now, Delhi would be given priority for these kits and therefore 169 centers would be set up across Delhi to carry out these tests. Now, suspected individuals who test negative for COVID-19 by the rapid antigen test should then be tested by the RT-PCR to rule out the infection as per the protocol that has been laid. Meanwhile, more updates coming in, and this regarding the price of the COVID-19 test in Delhi that has been capped now at 2,400 rupees as per the new orders that has been put in place by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Earlier, the cost was 4,500. Now, the move to make coronavirus tests cheaper and more accessible comes at a time and as part of the concerted effort being made both by the centre and the Delhi government to increase testing and to quickly identify and isolate the COVID cases and effectively contain the situation in the national capital.
In the wake of corona crisis, central government had directed several things to the Delhi government. So from today, the price of the one test of corona is going to be decreased because now the center has capped the price of the corona test, and it has now become rupees 2,400 per test. Earlier it was rupees 4,500. So this is a big relief for the people. The second aspect is that now from today onwards, Delhi is going to start the antigen test. This is very significant test because earlier the test was happening with the RT-PCR kit. that test usually takes 2 to 3 days when the results comes. But in this test, within half an hour, the result will come, and it costs also rupees around 500. So definitely that is also a very good thing that is happening in the national capital. The third point is that MHA and also the central government had insisted upon the containment zone, and containment zone is very prominent and very important aspect in this whole corona crisis. And in the containment zone, they had said that door-to-door survey will happen. So as of now, according to the MHA, 75% of containment zone has already been covered, and by 20th of June, the whole containment zone will be covered. So number of people who are affected with the corona, they will be identified. So these three things have been going to start from the national capital. We hope that in the coming days, the number may increase, but it doesn't look like.
In other